Hi there, my favorite scientists. I'm here studying, what is this? A what? Yes, you're right. You remember yesterday we started learning about plants. This plant looks a little different than that flower we did yesterday. Is it still a plant? Oh yeah, my tree down here. It looks different. There's no flower. But is that a plant? Oh yeah. Today, what do you think we're working on in science? You guessed it. We will identify the parts of a plant. But it'll be a little different than yesterday's plant. How will we study plants different today? We will watch a video, then go outside to take a picture of a real plant and label its parts. Do you remember those parts? Let me hear some parts that you remember. Roots, good job. We'll talk about all of those in just a minute. But why? We will understand the different plant parts. Like you saw here, they don't all look the same. You're going to get to go outside and find what plants are at your house or at your school. And they're not all going to look the same. They're not all going to have the same parts. So let's look at our video and review those parts so you'll be ready to find a plant outside. Eyes on your screens? Ears turned on? Here we go. I've got a fun song for us today. Are you ready?
Could you be both animal and plant? This I will dispute. You'd have to wear a pair of silly pants on top of all your roots.
Do plants wear pants? No, they don't.
Could you be both animal and plant?
Yeah, can you?
I guess that you could try. Stick out your arms just like the leaves and point them to the sky.
Are you a plant? I am.
Could you be both animal and plant? You might look out of place because your flower blooms would have a center smiling face.
Are you a flower?
Could you be both animal and plant? Oh no, they'd never blend.
You can't.
But they're both important to the environment. That's why they stay good friends. Yes, they're both important to the environment. That's why they stay good friends. Woo!
Now we know the answer. Can you be both an animal and a plant? No, but they are friends and they're both very important. But they've got very different parts. Let's go review those parts again today. Oh, both animals and plants are both living. Say that word, please. Living. Are you living? Mm-hmm. Is this thing living? Mm-hmm. Our next word is flower. Say that with me, please. Flower. Excellent. Here, I've got some flowers. They bloom at the top of the plant usually, and inside, as you see in the picture, inside are the what? Seeds. Nice job. Do all plants make flowers? They don't, but they're very pretty. The next part are the leaves. Say that word, please. Leaves. Excellent. Leaves are the parts attached to the stem. They go out to the side and they're flat. They make the food for the plant in the leaves. Are these leaves? Are these leaves? They can be different shapes, different sizes, but they're sticking out from the stem. Our next word is stem. Say it with me, please. Stem. The stem is the skinny, skinny, tall part of the plant that holds it up straight. Pretend you're a stem and sit up nice and straight for me, please. Nice stems. They carry the nutrients from the roots up to the other parts of the plant. There's those roots, I said. Say that with me, please. Roots. Excellent. The roots are the part that grow into the dirt and the soil into the ground. They're soaking up the water. They're taking the nutrients up into the rest of the plant. One more time. Show me those roots. Love it, love it, love it. Now we're on to our nutrients. Say that with me, please. Nutrients. Here in the picture, the nutrients they're showing us are fruits and veggies. That's where we get our nutrients, like vitamins. Plants, they're not eating other things. So they're going to get their nutrients from the soil, from the sun, from the water, and nutrients are good. Plants love their nutrients. Oh, back to that anchor chart we had yesterday. You labeled all those parts with me. Let's review them one more time. Starting down in the bottom, those are the what? Roots. Skinny, skinny, tall, tall, tall is the stem. Out to the side, the flat, flat greens are the leaves. Up to the top is a beautiful, colorful flower. And on the inside of the flower are the tiny, tiny seeds. You got it. But like we talked about, not all plants look like that pretty pink flower. Some are very different, but some are flowers too. Today it's your turn to pick what plant you want to take a photo of. It could be a flower, it could be a cactus, or it could even be a tree. But you will get to take your own picture today and mark it up to label these parts you see here on the screen. Meet me on video too, so you can see what picture I took today and see how I mark it up. See you soon.